Ever looked at a world map and noticed how the coast of South America seems like it could just click into place against Africa? In 1912, a German meteorologist named Alfred Wegener proposed they once did. He envisioned a single supercontinent, Pangea, that broke apart over millions of years. He had compelling evidence, identical fossils of land-bound reptiles found on continents separated by vast oceans, and mountain ranges that matched perfectly across the Atlantic. But the scientific community rejected his idea. Why? Because Wegener couldn't explain the engine. He had no credible force that could move entire continents. He died with his theory still on the fringe of science. The answer came decades later from the deep ocean. Sonar mapping revealed a colossal hidden mountain range snaking down the middle of the Atlantic. It was discovered that new crust was erupting from this mid-Atlantic ridge, pushing the seafloor outwards. They even found a perfect tape recording of this movement, symmetrical magnetic stripes on the seabed, marking every time the Earth's poles have flipped. This was the proof Wegener never had. This discovery gave us the modern theory of plate tectonics. The Earth's crust isn't one solid piece. It's a puzzle of massive plates floating on the hot, churning mantle below. This churning, called convection, is the engine. And where these plates meet, our planet's most dramatic events unfold. They collide, crumpling the crust to form giants like the Himalayas. They pull apart, creating rifts, and they slide past each other, unleashing the immense energy of earthquakes along faults like the San Andreas. Every continent, including Australia, is moving right now, drifting about as fast as your fingernails grow. It's a silent, relentless journey that, over geological time, completely reshapes the face of our world.